There's the fix now on Milton, excuse me, right there, right just south of Orlando, just in and around St. Cloud and Kissimmee, and moving off now towards the east-northeast here at about 16 miles an hour. Winds 90 now. It's a Category 1 hurricane. It is continuing to steadily move now off towards the east-northeast. We'll be chugging towards Melbourne and Cocoa here within the next couple of hours. The flash flood emergency remains in play from Tampa to Winter Haven. Elsewhere, we have flash flood warnings across most of central Florida, and for good reason. Let's take a look now at that live radar. You can see all of these flood advisories, multiple. And they're going to continue through 6 o'clock in the morning. Our local storm reports, lots of wind. And speaking of which, look at that. Over towards Port Canaveral, Cape Canaveral, 58, 67. Over towards Indian River, 70. In and around the I-4 corridor, 45, 55, pinging out there right now. These are the gusts, not sustained. Want to make sure we're clear on that. There's over towards Leesburg, 63, and up towards Daytona International Airport a short time ago, we had a 78-mile-an-hour wind gust. Heaviest rain core now right over I-95 there in Volusia County. Flash flood warning does remain in effect now for Polk, Hillsborough, Pasco, and Pinellas counties until 3 o'clock in the morning. A little bit later here as we head our way into Lake Orange, Seminole, and Volusia counties, and then farther to the north, multiple flood advisories here. Don't want to do every one, but the bottom line, most of them do remain in play through about 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at these rainfall totals. Portions of Seminole and Orange County, north and west of Orlando, right there between 9 and 13 inches of rain. That extends down towards the Tampa Bay area. Brevard County, Osceola County, about 2 to 4 inches, and up towards northern Marion County, 2 to 4 inches of rain as well. With more on Milton, let's check in with Cam.